Hello to all my friends out there, and it's you know who. Okay, I don't want to cook. I've been working, and now I just want to eat a little food. So I bought these little hamburgers at Dollar Tree. I have never tried one. They smell good, I'll tell you that. $1 at Dollar Tree. So these are really nice because they heat in 1 minute. So, and then I have some tater tots that I bought for $1. I bought a whole bag at Dollar Tree. So you can see this is going to be a cheap dinner. That may be about $1.25. I just got about a cup. Many times I was on a diet and then they would say, eat anything you want as long as it's a cup. So, I was on the veggie day, so I was trying to be good, but I don't want to ruin my entire diet. But I don't want to eat any veggie food either. And so I bought this for $1. So I'll drink a little. I can't drink tea too late at night. I'll get insomnia. So this is a pretty decent little meal. So all these things cost $3. All right, I will taste this. If I hate these, I'm going to tell you I don't like it. Those are perfect. For a night you don't want to cook, you just pop them in the microwave, and I bake my tater tots in the oven. So now I'm going to lay around for the rest of the night, and my last small joy of the night is I'm going to watch chess videos because my son is coming over and we're having a chess match. But let me tell you, he has been beating the socks off me in everything we play since he was a kid. But I am going to do my best, and he plays online, so, I'm at a severe disadvantage. But I've been studying up, if you have never watched chess videos, they're very relaxing. So, okay, the last small joy of the day, no cooking and watching chess videos. God bless you all.